Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 19th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, I think there's a very, very good likelihood this is an A, this is a B, and this is a wave C. Definitely made nice three-wave pullback to the last five waves down. So a nice pullback to the last five waves down, right to the Fibonacci retracement, the 50% Fibonacci retracement. Now we're making lower lows and lower highs. If that really is the end of a crescent, and it looks like it is, and it should continue to make lower lows, lower highs, it should go down and take out these previous lows. And if we're correct about the very high time frames, this thing has a lot of downside potential, which is great news for us because when we go down to like the 1 hour time frame range, anytime we see a rally, anytime we see a push to the upside, we should be looking at that as a possible opportunity to go short again for the continuation of this downtrend. If this really is a wave three, or if this really is like a wave one, wave two, and now we're in a wave three, then we definitely want to try to go short every chance we get, hopefully for the continuation of the longer time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.